In this video, I will be showing you how to use Base44 to create a professional website using simple AI prompts. Let's get started. I begin by opening my web browser and searching for Base44 in the Google search bar. I select the first result to head directly to the platform's dashboard. This tool is designed to help me build apps and websites in minutes using AI, so once the page loads, I am ready to start my project. I move to the center of the screen where I can describe the exact app or website I want to create. I type a detailed prompt into the text box, asking the AI to design a landing page for a local gym called Iron Gym. I specifically request a pricing table with 3 tiers named Basic, Pro, and Elite, and I choose a high contrast black and yellow color scheme to give it a bold look. After I finish typing, I click the arrow to start the generation process. As the screen displays the building progress, I can see the AI working through different components of the site. On the left sidebar, I track the real-time updates as it writes the code for the navigation bar, the hero section, and the training modules. The platform provides helpful tips and facts while the AI structures the components and applies the design style I requested. This process is incredibly efficient, taking only a short moment to assemble a complete layout. Once the building phase is finished, I click on the app preview to see the final result. The landing page looks fantastic, featuring a sleek, industrial design that perfectly matches the Iron Gym brand. The main headline stands out against the dark background, and the overall aesthetic is professional and modern. As I scroll down the page, I review the different sections the AI generated. I see dedicated blocks for various training modalities, including powerlifting, metabolic workouts, and recovery services. Each section is complete with relevant images and descriptions that make the site feel ready for launch. Finally, I arrived at the pricing table. The 3 tiers are clearly organized, showing the different price points and features for the Basic, Pro, and Elite memberships. I can even test the navigation links at the top of the page to see how easily users can jump between the training and pricing sections. Base44 makes it incredibly simple to go from a basic idea to a fully functional website in just a few steps. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.